Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you how to find the mean, median, and mode in Excel. So I just have a made-up data set here, number of pets, which you may recognize. So it's just a data set, it goes from 0 through 8, and it's already sorted. It doesn't matter if your data set is sorted or not to find the mean, median, and mode in Excel. So to find the mean in Excel, Excel actually uses the word average instead. So you're going to search for a formula that is called average. Now, when you're using Excel and you want to do a formula or calculation, you always have to put an equal sign in front of it. So notice that when I put an equal sign and I start typing the word average, then all these are called functions in Excel, all these functions or formulas start coming up. And you just want the one that just says average. So once it starts coming up, you can just double click it and then it will appear there. And what you can do is you can enter the data manually, but the easiest thing to do is just select the data. So once you have the parenthesis and you have that cursor, don't actually start typing. Come over to your data set. You're going to click and hold down your mouse, and you're going to drag it until the end of your data set. And then up top here, you'll see the cells that you've selected. So we've selected column A. So notice the A is for the column. And then we've selected cell from number 3 down through number 21. And then at that point, you can close the parentheses if you want to, or you don't have to. And you just hit enter. And that answer there would be your average. So my average number of pets in this case is 3. It's surprising that's actually a whole number. Usually you get decimals and things too, and that's perfectly fine. So let me go through that one more time with you. We hit the equal sign first. You can start typing the word average. Just make sure there's lots of ones that kind of look like average. You want the one that just says average. And then you're going to click a cell and hold your mouse down when you click and drag that mouse down into the bottom of your data. Once you have all your data points selected, you can see which cells are selected. Excel colors them. And then you just hit enter, and there is the average for you. If you want to find the median, now the formula, so I'll call this the formula name or the function name. It really is just median. So you're gonna do the same thing. I type an equal sign first, always an equal sign, and then MED, and that word median comes right up. You double click on that, and then you're going to just select your first cell, hold down your mouse, and drag it through the data. And again, once you're ready, you can just hit enter, and there is the median. So the median data point is actually 2. Again, one more time, always equal sign first. You can start typing in median, double click, and then hold down your mouse to select the data that you want to find the median of. And when you're ready, you can just either close a parenthesis or you can just hit enter. It'll work both ways. All right, the last one you want to use is mode. Now, before I give you the formula name, I want to show you, if you start typing in mode, you can see that there's different versions of mode. The one that I like to use is called mode mult, which stands for multi-mode. And what it does is it will give you the mode, but it will also give you the mode if you have more than one. So if you only press mode singular, it will only give you that mode. Here as well, this is an older version of mode with Excel's 2007 and earlier. So you could use this one too, but again, I like mode multi because if you have more than one mode, it's going to pick up on that. Otherwise, it's just going to give you the first one that it sees. So this is the one that I like. So we call it mode.mult is what you're looking for. And again, so you're getting an error message here saying, okay, I did something wrong. So I'm going to clear that out, start again. Equals, I'm going to start typing in mode. And again, I'm going to click the one that says mode mult. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and select that data. And when I'm ready, I hit enter and I see my mode is 1. So that is the most frequently selected value there. One more time, hit the equal sign, start typing mode. Again, I like mode mult. And then make sure I get the top here. I'm going to go ahead and select. And when I'm done, I hit enter. And again, those calculations are just done for you so fast. Again, your data does not have to be sorted. I just already had it pre-sorted, but it can find these values with unsorted data as well. So that's an easy way that you can find those centers.